Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to fix this problem on your Windows 11 system. First of all, we need to open Task Manager. So once we are here, click on Run New Task, then type here PowerShell. Now we need to click on OK. You can also check this box for the administrative privileges, then click on OK. Now we need to execute some commands here. First of all, close this window, and once we are here, type in sfc /scan now and hit enter to execute this command. This process will take some time to complete the after that, type exit to close the command prompt window. Now go to search bar, then type cmd, right click here and select run as administrator. Again, we need to execute commands here, so type in dism/online/cleanup-image/restore health and simply hit enter to execute this command. This will also take some time to complete the process, so once done, type exit to close this. Now we need to open Task Manager, so right click on taskbar and select Task Manager. Once we are here, search for Windows Explorer, then just right click on it and click on End Task. Now you will see the changes. After that, click on Run New Task and simply type here explorer.exe, then click on OK. Once done, close this window and simply restart your system. That's it guys, your problem will be solved and you're good to go.